Hello everyone and welcome to Purpose Bling Girl Boss. My name is Natoya and I'm here to help you grow your paparazzi business to 1K and beyond. So in this video, we are going to talk about a juicy topic, kinda. So we are going to talk all about, is paparazzi accessories a scam? Because I thought about doing this video because when I was Googling something for paparazzi, I typed in paparazzi accessories and what popped up was, the suggested searches, scam popped up. So paparazzi accessory scam, accessories. And I was like, wow, do people really think it's a scam? So I'm like, let me do a little rant video. Let me talk all about it. So confession, I didn't think it was a scam, but I was just like, is paparazzi accessories, is it like that whole job thing with the knives, where like pretty much you make money by signing people up? And to me that's scammy. Like when you have to make money by signing people up and not actually selling the product, that's when it becomes a little scammy. So I was kind of on the fence about paparazzi jewelry, even though I was buying a ton of paparazzi jewelry, which makes absolutely no sense. But that's what one of my worries were when I was deciding if I wanted to join and start investing money into the business, buying jewelry, all that jazz. So I'm here to tell you, this is going to be a quick video. I'm here to tell you, paparazzi accessories is not a scam. But let me tell you one thing. It becomes somewhat scammy, kind of. I don't want to use the word scammy, but it becomes not profitable, and where you're losing money when you're so focused on building your inventory. Okay, you have to build your inventory so that you can have a variety of jewelry to sell to different women. Some women like seed beads, some women like dainty pieces, other women like, the Rockstar Black urban bracelets. Every woman is different, and you have to have pieces for everyone you meet. Yes. But when you're buying more than you're selling and you're losing money, that makes no sense. That makes no sense. And I feel like a lot of the bad reviews you're hearing about paparazzi from past paparazzi consultants that quit and had to make a big scene about it is because they were putting more attention into buying jewelry than selling the jewelry, than learning how to market themselves, create Facebook posts, engaging with people, buying proper props like a bust and all that stuff. There's so much more to having a successful paparazzi business than buying jewelry. And I cannot stress this enough. My Purpose Bling girl bosses. That's when it becomes scammy. Especially if you have maybe some of your uplines my uplines are amazing. I'm not talking about my uplines, but especially if you have some uplines that are just telling you buy. So you're buying, but you're not selling and you're just losing money. Not cool. That's when it becomes a scam. So I think that's it. I think my rant is over. This is a quick one. So my advice to you is please do make sure that you are selling your jewelry, that your number one focus is getting your jewelry in front of the eyes of new people and moving your jewelry. That's pretty much it. If you do that, it can never be a scam because you're making a profit. You're making a profit when you sell your jewelry. So guys, I think that was it. Please do like this video if you liked it, and do subscribe and hit the notification bell because I do make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I'd love to chat. So if you'd like to join Purpose Bling Girl Bosses, please do send me a message and we can talk all about you joining my team and making an extra income. So bye.